In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to force quit ExpressVPN. If ExpressVPN freezes, gets stuck while disconnecting, or simply stops responding, the normal close button may not work. Because the app interacts closely with your system's network settings, force quitting it properly can help release those connections and get everything working normally again. I'll walk you through how to do this on Windows, Mac, Android, and iPhone or iPad, and then I'll show you how to confirm the app is working correctly afterward. On Windows, open Task Manager by pressing Control, Shift, and Escape at the same time. If a small, simplified window appears, click More Details to expand it. Stay on the Processes tab and scroll through the list until you find ExpressVPN. You may also see ExpressVPN Engine or ExpressVPN Notification Service. Right-click the main ExpressVPN process and choose End Task. If ExpressVPN Engine is still running, right-click that as well and end it too. This is important because ending only the visible app may not fully reset the background service. On a Mac, the fastest option is to press Command, Option, and Escape together. This opens the Force Quit Applications window. Find ExpressVPN in the list, click it, then click Force Quit and confirm. If you want to make sure any background processes are also closed, open Spotlight with Command and Space, type Activity Monitor, and press Enter. In the search box, type ExpressVPN, then select any related processes you see. Click the Stop button near the top of the window, then choose Force Quit. On Android, open Settings and go to Apps, Applications, or Apps and Notifications, depending on your device. If needed, tap See All Apps, then find and open ExpressVPN. On the app info screen, tap Force Stop, then confirm by tapping OK. This clears the app from active memory and is often enough to fix a frozen mobile session. On iPhone or iPad, open the app switcher by swiping up from the bottom and holding for a moment. On older devices with a home button, double-click the home button instead. Swipe left or right until you find ExpressVPN, then flick the app preview upward until it disappears. That closes the app completely. Once you've force quit ExpressVPN, launch it again from your desktop, dock, or home screen. Make sure it opens normally and no longer shows a spinning or frozen state. Tap or click the main power button once and wait a couple of seconds for it to connect. Then open a private or incognito browser window and visit the ExpressVPN IP check page. Confirm that the IP address and country shown match the VPN server location you selected. That final check helps verify that the app reset cleanly and your connection is working as expected.